CRCST Practice Test 2026, Chapter Quality Production and Monitoring 30 Hardest Real Questions. Question 1. What is wet pack? A moist towel. Moisture found inside a package after sterilization. A type of cleaning. A soaking method. Indicates a failed sterilization process/drying. Question 2. Lumen items should be cleaned with a sponge, a brush of appropriate size, water only, air. Brushing the internal channel is critical. Question 3. By burden is the weight of a tray, the amount of microbial contamination on an object, the cost of sterilization, a type of germ. Number of microbes on an item before sterilization. Question 4. Critical items entering tissue/vessels require low-level disinfection, cleaning only, sterilization, intermediate disinfection. Spalding classification. Question 5. Personal protective equipment, PPE, in Deccan includes just gloves, gown, gloves, mask, eye protection, street clothes, scrubs only. Full coverage for biohazard protection. Question 6. Enzymatic cleaners break down metal, plastic, organic matter, proteins/blood, glass. Designed to digest by burden. Question 7. Peel pouches should be placed flat, on edge, tightly packed, under heavy trays. On edge, paper to plastic, for air removal and steam penetration. Question 8. Pass-through windows are used for fresh air, moving items between Deccan and assembly, ordering lunch, talking to doctors. Maintains environmental separation. Question 9. What is the dirty area of the SPD called? Assembly, decontamination, sterilization, storage. Deccan is where soiled items are received. Question 10. A Class 5 indicator is an chemical indicator, biological indicator, physical monitor, integrator. Class 5 integrating indicators react to all critical parameters. Question 11. Items should be loaded into an autoclave. Tightly. Loosely/not touching walls. Stacking flat. In plastic bags. Allows steam circulation. Question 12. Ethylene oxide ETO requires short cycles, aeration, high heat, water. Aeration is needed to remove toxic gas residue. Question 13. Which agency regulates medical devices? USDA, FDA, EPA, CDC. Food and Drug Administration. Question 14. Water temperature for manual cleaning should be boiling, lukewarm/cool, per IFU, freezing, hot. Too hot can coagulate proteins, blood, onto the instrument. Question 15. The most common sterilization method is dry heat, ethylene oxide, Steam, autoclave. Bleach. Steam is efficient and fast. Question 16. Flash sterilization is now called quick cycle. IUSS, immediate use steam sterilization. Prevac. Gravity. IUSS is the modern term. Question 17. What is cavitation? Cleaning in ultrasound. A hole in a tooth. Sterilizer cycle. Packing method. Process used in ultrasonic cleaners. Question 18. Biological indicators, BIs, should be run how often? Monthly. Weekly, ideally daily. Yearly. Never. Daily or at least weekly depending on facility policies/standards. Question 19. Relative humidity in sterile storage should be 10 to 20%, 30 to 60%, 70 to 90%, 0%. ANSI/AMI ST79 recommends 30 to 60%. Question 20. The sterile storage area should have high humidity, positive pressure, negative pressure, carpet. Positive pressure keeps contaminants out.